The National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council has cited the various local and national government agencies for their preparedness, resulting in zero casualty in the recent weather disturbance that hit the country. The details of this report from Sam Ramirez.
All ports and terminals resumed operations, allowing thousands of stranded passengers to travel safely after Tropical Storm Goryo, internationally known as Rumbia, left the Philippine area of responsibility. This is according to National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC spokesperson Major Ray Balido.
Nagsimula ng lumayag ulit yung mga ro-ro vessels natin, yung mga tumatawid sa mga papunta mga probinsya. Lalo na yung Matnog, Sorsogon, papatawid sa Leyte. Samar Leyte.
More than 700 families from 25 barangays in 3 regions were affected because of the heavy rains brought about by Goryo. On the other hand, almost families were sheltered and given temporary aid in evacuation centers. A landslide in Masbate was reported due to non-stop raining. There were also 2 incidents of flooding in Occidental Mindoro and 1 occurrence of tornado in Quezon Province. However, there were no casualties recorded as Goryo leaves the country. Major Balido added that this is because of the readiness of the different government offices.
Unang-una yung Pag-asa, nakapagbigay sila ng maagang advisory, no? Nakapagbigay sila ng maagang warning. So, yun din ang ginawa natin. Nirelay natin yung mga message na yan, yung advisories na yan, doon sa region, at ganun din ang ginawa nila. Nirelay din sa mga provinces, munisipyo. At from there, doon nakapaghanda yung ating mga local DRMCs, local DRM officers para abisuhan din yung mga kababayan natin.
Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.